This is the DT Watch X, and it's always on AMOLED screen display mode. You can tap it, come back in to a beautiful watch face, and there's many of these animated, analog, digital, you name it, faces that come with it, and a store you can download more. Being AMOLED, you get long battery life with this one. A lot of different controls. You have the ability to pair Bluetooth earbuds to this watch. Why? You can actually use the music player to control the music on your phone, or play local music out of the watch, or tie it into the headphone mode and play them through your headphones when you've got them paired here too. A lot of other different controls on here, brightness levels, power savings modes, do not disturb, twist your wrist to see the time. Those kind of things are all part of it. When you come across, you get your step count for the day, calories burned, distance traveled, heart rate measurements, the conditions in your area, temperature and forecast. Here's the music player, an example of the sound. Check that out. That's from one of their built-in songs, and the music is coming out of the speaker right here. You can just mute it with your thumb if you want to. You've got blood oxygen too, uses the red and the green diode for computing that. And then we're back to the overall watch face, notifications sent from your phone. This turns everything off and on again. You can change multiple always on displays if you want to. In terms of apps, you got different sports like running, hiking, writing, all kinds of them. Again, heart rate, dial pad for making and receiving phone calls, your step count stuff, weather, breathing exercises. Your Siri is in here, or Google, your contacts for your phone calls. A nice little calculator is built into it, a voice recorder, and I played something earlier and it sounds.
We're doing a little recording just to test how this sounds.
That's in the longer review. I wanted to play it now because it is so loud. That's the loudest I've ever heard. You got 7 different games in here that come along with it too. Really, really a nice device, a running stopwatch. It'll run in the background. That's when we played it in the full review. We started it up there. Super bright flashlight, turns on all the pixels, full brightness. Yeah, it just goes on and on. You've got 2 bands that come with it now. There's this leather band, which is a really, really nicely made one, and it integrates directly with the watch. Or you've got a special black one that will actually hug right to the screen itself when you put that one on. With all the things it's got going for it, charging puck and ability to transfer music, videos, you name it, from your phone to or your computer to the watch and back again. And oh yes, this will play videos and display pictures, all of that stuff. It's definitely something you may want to check it out. It's called the DT Watch X.